Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tesla Trends. I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so Tesla on Friday had a little bit of a down day. Indexes couldn't keep the momentum going, and although we had a nice run up after hours, couldn't hold it through the open, and we ended up basically slowly consolidating into this new support around 578 throughout the day and into after hours, just holding above it after hours as well. So we'll look at both indexes really quickly here, but essentially Friday gave back most of the gains from Thursday or so, or at least from the pre-market, ended up in roughly the same spot. SPY essentially flat for the day on Friday. NASDAQ very much the same, giving back some of the gains from yesterday and kind of ending up where we started the week, around this 327 level here. So I think the big news from the week is obviously the cryptos have completely fallen off. It's almost like that's going to be done now for a while, and volatility spike has ended. So I think that's a good thing. We're down below this line here around this 20 line, and I think we're going to continue to drop after this double pop. And we talked a little bit about these pops that we've seen before, but getting down below this line here is usually when we start to see more consistent growth in the market, and so that's what I'm hoping to see this week. Wanted to zoom out a little bit more than that so we can, so these other two pops, like we see pop, back down to normal, pop, back down to normal. So I'm expecting the same action here as we drift down lower, even into the 18, 15 level. We should start to see more consistent growth out of the market, and we know that Tesla tends to do well when the indexes are strong, like most stocks, right? But Tesla, especially lately, has really followed the indexes closely, and I think we've bottomed out in these levels. We've found some true support, some levels that we actually had seen prior to this huge price run up to 900. Now we actually have some real support here. All this, to me, especially this far outside of our growth channel, was just fantastical. It had to end sometime, in my opinion. I'm not a fundamentals guy. I'm not going to argue with you about the valuation for the company, but when you're that far out of the price channel, I expect you to come back to it at some point. So we've done that. We've not only come back into the price channel, we've come back into these same price levels, and now we're down below what's been a very consistent price channel for us for more than a year. So I expect us to return to that channel as long as market conditions remain the same. So if the market is bullish, the NASDAQ and the SPY are strong, that's what I mean by the market is bullish, then we should be in this channel and we should be seeing consistent, steady growth up and to the right. So volatility drops this week, markets return to some strength. We should expect to see a return to this channel, and hopefully off a bounce like that, breaking through some of these stronger resistance levels, we might get even a little bit more of a pop. Who knows? Is it going to happen this week or next week? I don't know. I thought it was going to happen last week. You guys heard me talking about it all week. So I'd say we're behind schedule at this point, but I do expect to see that. First things first, though, we have to get back above this downtrend line that we've sort of been following now since mid-April, and have struggled to get back above really since the beginning of May. So tested it on Friday, or at least pre-market on Friday, got rejected, came back down into this support right where we are right now, right around 580. So we're getting a little tighter now, and I'd like to see us be able to break through this downtrend line and at least come up and test the 620 level. Again, I've talked about it a lot. That'll be a bullish indicator for me, and I think when we see that, it shouldn't be too much longer that we see at least a test of the bottom trend line for the growth channel here. We really should, in a bull market, be moving within this channel. So I expect to see that. I'd like to see us return to that channel, and with volatility dropping, the market's returning to some strength, I'd expect to see it this week. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to leave a like. It really helps out the channel with that YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content, my analysis, subscribe. I make new videos almost every day, so come back and check us out again. If you follow Tesla, I try to give no hype, no nonsense analysis on a daily basis, so come back and check us out again. Leave a comment below about what you think about this video and what you think about the market conditions right now. I'd love to get your guys' feedback and hear what other people are thinking about this stock, and especially just the market as a whole. So please comment below. Also, if you want to see more of my content, check out my main channel where I look at all different stocks, not just Tesla, and I do a similar technical analysis. We've had some very interesting growth names on there showing big gains this year. I know we all love Tesla, but we've been on an extended downtrend here. So if you want to look at some stocks that have been on extended uptrends showing 20, 30, 40, 50% gains in 2021, I made some videos recently on Dananos, Sumo, and Micron, names you may or may not have heard of. But check those out on my main channel if you're interested in more of my content. Thanks, guys. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.